Hello and welcome to this new video on how to post long videos on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the TikTok. So for that, you need to go to the source browser and just click on the source bar and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the TikTok application will be opened. So there is a certain limitation soon or provided to you by TikTok on how much long video that you can post. If you have a small account, then you will be able to post 1 minute TikTok videos, and if you have larger account, then maximum is 3 minutes of TikTok videos can be posted in your account. But if you want to post more longer videos in your TikTok, then you can just go to the top right corner. There is a circular icon, just hover around it and a pop-up box will open. After that, you need to go to the feedback and help section, and that interface will be opened. After that, there is a report or problem that you can access by just scrolling down a little bit. You can just click on there and you just need to tell your problem that how can I upload a longer TikTok video, and you just have to add the supporting media and you will just need to submit it, and TikTok will review your feedback and they will provide you the answer. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.